This lens kit will totally upgrade your lighting game. Aputure Amaran Spotlight SE's 36 degrees magic. Ever feel like your lighting setup is stuck in the Stone Age? You know the struggle, hours wasted fiddling with bulky, unreliable gear that just can't shape your light right. Your shoots look flat, your creative vibe feels crushed, and that perfect cinematic glow? Forget it. You're fumbling with tech that barely delivers sharp, clean beams or that cinematic punch you crave. That frustration drags down your whole project. When the gear fails you, motivation tanks, and your vision dims. Been there, right? Time to ditch that burnout and upgrade to something that actually works for you. Stress is piling up, deadlines are breathing down your neck, and your light just won't cooperate. Every missed shot, every uneven shadow, every ugly spill of light is a small defeat, and those stack up fast. Your workflow turns chaotic, your creativity stumbles, and the pressure? Crushing. You're stuck using generic lenses that blur your vision, kill your efficiency, and make your editing nightmare even worse. The stakes are high, this project could be a career maker or a flop. Why risk it with second-rate gear? You need a lighting breakthrough that turns chaos into control, ASAP. Meet the Aputure Amaran Spotlight SE's 36 degrees lens kit, the lighting wizard you didn't know you needed. This isn't just a lens kit, it's a total lighting revolution. Designed to transform your Bowens mount fixtures up to 300 watt into sharp, shapeable spotlights, it gives you instant control with quick focus adjustments and precision cut beam shutters. Whether you want a dramatic 19 degrees tight beam or a wider 36 degrees glow, this kit delivers even edge-to-edge light distribution that makes your subjects pop. Plus, with 15mm sized gobas for custom shapes, your lighting gets a whole new personality. Why settle? The Spotlight SE amps your lighting game with pro perks that matter. Say goodbye to bland and hello to brilliant. Lightweight and durable, this all-metal beast fits perfectly with your Amaran 300C, 150C, 200XS, 60XS, and others. Customize shapes, cut beams with pinpoint precision, and create cinematic effects that pull your audience in. It's like having a lighting studio in your pocket. Want your next shoot to look insanely pro? Dive deeper into the Spotlight SE kit, your creative flow will thank you. Ready to level up before your next big shoot? Don't sleep on this. Thousands of pros already swear by the Aputure Amaran Spotlight SE, praising its quality, versatility, and game-changing precision. Stock is limited, and once you try this lens kit, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Don't let mediocre lighting hold you back another day. Click the link, grab your kit, and join the lighting revolution now. Your shots deserve this glow up, no excuses, no regrets. Shine bright, shoot sharp, and own every frame.